LinkedIn prospecting helps you to find targeted B2B leads. You can find your ideal prospects based on job title, industry, location, company size, function, seniority, degrees of connections, and so on. You can reach millions of decision makers and C-level executives. But you need to build a list of prospects for your marketing campaigns. How? Manual copy-paste? Copy-pasting hundreds of contacts into your CRM takes a lot of your time and effort. This is where LeadGrabber comes handy. LeadGrabber Pro helps you to speed up LinkedIn prospecting. It helps you to build targeted prospect lists from LinkedIn in a click, find verified business emails, and phone numbers of prospects found on LinkedIn. LeadGrabber Pro helps you to reach decision makers and C-level executives from any industry, 20 times faster than experts. With LeadGrabber Pro, you can spend more time with your prospects, increase sales conversions and revenue. Download LeadGrabber Pro now.